Hey, what's up, Stormx holder? So today video is going very special for Stormx holder because this is one reason because the crypto market lost 10 billion lost. So this is absolutely very bad news for all holder of any cryptocurrencies because crypto market is totally goes down. So everybody know this. If you have know this about this news, then please check on our channel. Please come to channel and check out the latest video you found it, and check out the 10 million lost absolutely, and all cryptocurrencies is going very fastly goes down. And this week, this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is totally goes down. But this time, if you check out the Stormx result, the Stormx is one of them. Almostly they goes down, but totally, and this the second week is starting on. Then the Stormx growing start. You can see here the Stormx changes absolutely and positive starting 21.60% going up. So this starting like a rocket going up absolutely. In the price, you can see here the price change is absolutely very high, 0.07526 US dollar is the latest price of Stormx. Congratulations, brother, to Stormx again starting growing up, and the market cap is absolutely gone very fast. The market cap has changed as 21.71% gone up. You can see here the full diluted market cap. The full diluted market cap has gone up 21%, also 21%. So I think, but if we check out the volume of last 24 hour almost very important. The volume of last 24 hour is lost, has gone down very fastly, and just 10.27% the volume of 24 hour is gone down. So my brother, this is very bad news for especially Stormx holder, and everybody knows that to all cryptocurrencies goes down, but Stormx and Bitcoin as these two cryptocurrencies a special and main cryptocurrencies to their to this is the reason of strong crypto market to they lost 10 billion. So the special tweet, I say that, and this video let's check out the special tweets. But my brother, first of all, you can see here this is the last 7 days chart. You can see here this is last 7 days charts, and everybody, you can see here they totally goes down. They starting totally dump, totally goes down. So totally lost, totally and lost. My brother, they take a just small dump again, but again they very high dump. So my brother, they cannot take a very high jump. They just take a small jump and they go straight. So what we did, what's going on in the Stormx? If you want to the latest news and updates, then please subscribe this channel. Okay guys, so let's come to the trade. The trade is very important for this. Okay, everybody know that the cryptocurrencies has gone very fastly, and in the go month. But this time you can see here, and in the new month of real result is very bad for all Stormx, especially Stormx goes down very fastly, and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also goes down, and Stormx, everybody said that this is a loss. So Stormx, you can see here the Stormx latest post. Let's check out the Stormx personal trade open it, and then we check out what's going on in the Stormx. So my brother, this time you can see here we are really excited to welcome our YouTube official Stormx. So let's check out the main trade, the latest trade to what's going on in the Stormx. Guys, if you check out the Nike, this is a gift for is 3.4% crypto back at Nike. So this is very good for Stormx holder. Congratulations, your crypto is going absolutely very fast. Let's check out the here is not, but let's check out the crypto news, the latest crypto news, brothers. So the crypto, let's check out. I click out crypto. Let's check out crypto news. Okay, crypto, let's check out crypto news. Okay, I had already, and let's click on the search button, latest news. Let's check out the latest news to what's going on in crypto, because crypto is totally and lost. Oh my goodness, absolutely. Act R drop is live lotcoin. You can see here are in a share of 5 billion action tokens by completing easy social task. So this is not at man top. You look, let's go down, scroll down, scroll down. Let's scroll down, and here if we search at lost, okay, let's check on the lost. Click on the lost. This is live, or you can see here, this is live video. You can see here crypto news lost, okay. You can see here agreed. I think Stormx could be a big, but you can see here very big Stormx as the very big reason that they gone down. Very special again. If you are looking for a short term, especially there are a thousand of other project on there. Very people are impressed from Stormx, but this time Stormx, if you can see here, totally goes down, my brother. So what are you doing? What's your planning? To you buying more or selling it? Please share it in the comment box. This is absolutely very important from everyone. Okay, so thanks for watching. You can see here file editing of the Lost Boys. Here is almost ready for mining. So everyone can tweet it very fastly to what's going on in Stormx, what's going on in Bitcoin, but especially in Stormx. Okay, the Stormx, you can see here very large amount they gone down. So my brother, what's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box to what we do in this critical situation. Please comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.